Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set caller ID announcement in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to dialer and go to these three vertical dots and click on settings here. And here select answering and ending calls, and here click on read caller names allowed. Now click over read caller names allowed, and it is by default set to over Bluetooth and headphones only. So if you have enabled any Bluetooth devices or Bluetooth headphones or normal headphone, then during those time only caller name will be announced loud. Okay, suppose if you want to get it always, click on the second one and caller name will be announcement. Okay, caller name will be announced louder. Okay, now I am going to check how it works. Okay, I am making a call from another phone. I make a call and here to the voice. Jury prints is read. Okay, again I am checking. Listen.
Jury print.
Wow. Caller name announcement is done. Okay, so in this way you can easily set caller name announcement in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.